How to use Aramisauto for properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Aramisauto for makes buying or selling cars online easy, but beginners often make mistakes that can cost time, money, or even lead to bad deals. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not comparing offers. Most people get this wrong by accepting the first price. Use Aramisauto to compare multiple cars or trade in offers to ensure you get the best value. Second mistake, skipping vehicle inspection. You won't believe how many buyers assume photos tell the whole story. Always request or check inspection reports to confirm condition, mileage, and service history. Third mistake, misunderstanding fees and insurance options. The surprising truth is Aramisauto includes various fees and optional insurance packages. Read the fine print to avoid unexpected costs. Fourth mistake, poor timing. Beginners sometimes overlook market trends or seasonal price variations. Check demand, promotions, and inventory to maximize savings. Finally, not reading reviews and user experiences is common. Learn from other buyers' experiences to avoid pitfalls and discover tips for negotiation, delivery, or paperwork. By comparing offers, checking inspections, understanding fees, timing purchases strategically, and reading user reviews, you can use Aramisauto for effectively. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your online car buying experience will be faster, safer, and more cost efficient.